Here's how you play the game Planet Passage. Everyone starts with their pawn on one of the 4 large asteroids in the asteroid belt. It's okay if 2 players decide they want to start on the same asteroid. Each player draws a mission location card. That is where you're going. So for example, I'm going to Neptune. This player is going to Mercury. Make sure that before you start, you read the things that are written on the board and know what they say and where they send you, because sometimes they can be super helpful. This one says hop to Halley's Comet. This one says fly to the Kuiper Belt, for example. When it's your turn, go ahead and roll the die and move your pawn. When you move your pawn, you can move horizontally and you can move vertically. One thing that's important to know is that you can only cross the planet orbits at the rocket locations that are going in the direction that you wish to go. So for example, if I'm green and I'm trying to get to Neptune, then I actually need to get my pawn over to this space over here so that I can cross this planet's orbit going in this direction. Whenever you do cross a planet's orbit or land on a planet's orbit, either way, you need to slide onto that planet and answer a question. One of the other players needs to draw a card and ask you the question that's shown there. For example, this one says, which planet in our solar system has exactly 1 moon? If you need to see the question, the other player can cover the answer with their thumb and show it to you. Many of the questions are actually fun or funny. For example, this one says, true or false, the moon is made of green cheese. When you've correctly answered a question, you can slide your playing piece off the orbit anywhere on the board. I probably would want to move it here so that I'm ready on my next turn to go that way. And then your turn is over. If you incorrectly answer the question, you need to stay on that planet, and when it's your turn again, you make another attempt to answer the question. Once your piece arrives at the place where you're attempting to go, in this case, my mission was Neptune, you do need to once again correctly answer a question. And once you've done so, you can put this mission location at the bottom of the mission location cards. You can collect a mission complete certificate and then draw a new mission. Once you have completed 2 missions and collected 2 mission complete certificates, you've won the game. And that's how you play Planet Passage.